Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online session of Environmental Studies. In the last session, we have studied that animals are of different colors. Some animals are big while some are small. They move in different ways and they are useful to us. Today, let us study something more about animals. The animals that we see around us can be grouped in different ways. We observe the animals every day and based on the observations we form their groups. However, when scientists classify animals, classify means put in group. They look at more important characteristics of animals. Characteristics means quality belonging to a person, place or thing. Let us see how they do it. Children, now let us see the animals that suckle their young ones. The young ones of the animals like the cow, dog, goat, rat feed on their mother's milk. These animals have 4 legs. They have hair on their body. They have external ears. We know that some animals fly. Birds have only 2 legs. They have 2 wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. There are some differences in the flying ability of different birds. Ability means skill. The eagle can soar high into the sky and stay in the air for a long time. Soar means fly or rise high in the air. But the cock does not fly high and comes down soon. Some animals live in water. Which are they? Yes, fish, crabs, octopus, whale, etc. live in water. There are different kinds of fish. They live in water. Fish have fins. This is known as the fin. So, fish use their fins to move in the water. They also have scales on their body. These are the scales. Do you know? A fish has gills behind its eyes. These are the gills. Fish use their gills to breathe in water. Which animals creep and crawl? Chameleons, house lizards and snakes are the animals that crawl. Crawl means move forward on the hands and knees. Creep means move slowly and carefully in order to avoid being heard. Chameleons and house lizards have 4 legs but their legs are very short. The snake does not have any legs at all. Now, let us see the animals that are called insects. We know that butterflies have wings, right? Yes, but we don't call them birds. They are insects and are smaller than birds. They have 6 legs. Animals which have 6 legs are called insects. Mosquitoes, houseflies and cockroaches are insects too. Do you know? Bats have wings but they don't have feathers on their body. Young ones of bats feed on their mother's milk. Bats are not birds like a crow, sparrow, parrot and cock. They are included in the group of animals like cow, deer, mouse and tiger. Thus, bat falls in the category of animals. So, this was all about a few animals we are familiar with. Familiar means well known, but there are many more animals in the world. We can see a lot of differences in the colors, shapes and sizes of the animals and also differences in the ways they move and the places they live in. These differences that we see among animals give rise to a lot of variety of animals. Variety means the state of having different forms. Also, the number of animals that live in the sea is very large. there is a great variety among them too. So, what have we learned from this chapter? We have learned that different animals are found in the air, on the ground, and in water. There are differences in the colors, shapes, and sizes of animals and also in the ways they move. We find some animals useful. We keep such animals. Some animals are a nuisance for us. Scientists classify animals according to certain important characteristics. So, did you get it? Okay, I hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Read the lesson twice from your textbook at your home and stay safe. Thank you.